It's time for another geocaching adventure, but first we have to cross the border. So let's see how that works out, and then where we're going to go and what we're going to find. Join us. Good morning. We're heading to Pierce Lake in Idaho to do some geocaching. 2 days. Just our pop and a bottle of wine. Yep, we have some frozen ground beef cooked and frozen chicken cooked and cream for our coffee, pop, and that's it. No. Yes. We have a banana, sorry. Welcome to Washington. We made it across the border and we're on our way to Idaho. Today's target is the oldest geocache in Idaho, plus other geocaches that excite us along the way. We're heading to the oldest geocache in Idaho. That's right, another oldest in the state. There are a whole lot of geocaches along the way, but what we're going to do is go to the last one first, get the target, and then geocache our way back. Recently, a group of people got together and they came to the oldest geocache. They also placed a line of challenge caches along the way to help you figure out which way to go to get to the oldest. So we've got about half of those we could qualify for. The others we will just write notes to. But right now, just sit back and we'll climb our way up to the oldest in Idaho. Got to make a left-hand turn in the traditional with 34 favorite points, and the road gets might bit narrower and a little bit steeper, and there's lots of logs, a very close cut to the edge. So he's just gone out to clear one or two. Expert driver has decided to stop where we were with about 500 meters to go and turn the vehicle around. And rather than risk it going further up, but you never know, there could be a good spot up ahead, but we don't know. We don't have no intel. So we're going to hoof it from here, the last 3 caches, and then the last one being the oldest. Once again, we bring you along to an oldies cache find. This one was June of 2000, Idaho's oldest, and we had no expectations whatsoever about what the area would be like. You know, you don't see that much in photos, and it's kind of hard to relate to sometimes for people telling you what it's like. You know, how far can you get in a vehicle? What are the conditions going to be like? It all depends on time of year when you're coming. Whether it's early, you know, in the spring when the trees are still down, but we want to show you the oldest and what it's like on a little bit of trek back to it. Or we want to show you the oldest and the trek to it. What about right there?
I have back on my head and I look.
There's a piece of bark there, a tree.
Get down here.
Yep.
And you get a...
There you go.
Good job.
Okay.
Nice. This is the third last cache with 115 favorite points. hidden in 2014. So a little bit later than the first one. But what a spot for a geocache, eh? That's awesome. So one more geocache to go, and then it's the oldest geocache in the state. So 2 more caches. I hear an ammo can.
Here, I'll let somebody. We're kind of crowded in here. Ow. Prickly bush.
There we go. Official. Logbook. Cars. Cars, cars, cars. Cars and cars and cars. Oh, and there's a little Disney princess. That's the second last cache. 1 more to go. You think that pile right there? Yep.
Yoo-hoo! We got it! Da-da-da-da!
Oh, and it's a 5-gallon barrel buried in the ground. That's a no-no. Don't tell anybody. Oh, and an ammo can. Nice.
Awesome.
Woo-hoo.
There we go. Who wants to do the honors of signing the book?
Signing the book. Well, this swag. There's the book with a travel bug. Here we go. I'll put that Cache Canada in there. Signing up the log sheet for Idaho's oldest geocache we found, and what a view. It's fantastic, and there's wild lupins growing here right on top. We're on the very, very top of the mountain. Just amazing. And we're glad you could come along with us to find this one. And it's inside a 5-gallon tub buried in the ground. That's pretty cool. Well, there you go. Idaho's oldest. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
And thanks for the driver for getting us up here. Like, holy doodle. Certainly wouldn't have made it with the Cache Canada van.
No, not at all.
Would have been a lot of cursing and swearing then.
Yeah. But there's so many beautiful flowers up here, and the trees are just gorgeous.
Definitely wouldn't want to come here in the wintertime.
No. You'd be hiking.
Yep. And I'm pretty sure GPS Stash Hunt, which is on the lid there, I'm pretty sure that's what the game was called before they called it geocaching. So there you have it. That's what it's like to get to Idaho's oldest geocache. Best if you have a high clearance vehicle. Even if you don't, you can get up pretty far. Probably to within about 2 or a little bit more kilometers of that last bit of road, where you definitely will be hiking it in. So glad we could bring you along.
Thank you to Reidmylips, Mr. and Mrs. for coming with us to find this cache.
It was really great to team up with them again and go in their vehicle.
It's always an adventure.
Yeah, and it was an awesome one too. Look at where we are today.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's always great teaming up with Cache Canada.
Yep.
Nice to be with you.
It doesn't get any better than this, does it?
No.
Maybe on the next one.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?